Hello everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be making for you Oats and Raisin Fudge cookies, and it's going to be my daughter what's making it for you today, so I'm just going to let her introduce herself and get on with the process.
Hi everybody, today I'll be making these cookies for you. Our ingredients today. So today our ingredients are 1 egg. I'm going to be using some vegan fudge. If you'd like to see my dad make this, just drop him a comment and let him know. We have a mixture of raisins and cranberries. And together we've mixed our oats, flour and bicarbonate of soda. And in this bowl we have a vegan butter, some brown sugar and some caster sugar, and just a bit of vanilla extract. I'm going to start by mixing these ingredients together. You just want to mix that so it's all together, light, fluffy, and the sugar's more dissolved and mixed in. Yeah, so we're just mixing this together till it's all nice, light and fluffy, and you can feel that the sugar's dissolved. But this is how it should look, just nice, light and fluffy, and the sugar's dissolved. So we're just going to lightly whip our egg and then put that in as well. So just lightly mix these together until the egg is incorporated. You can use an electric mixer for this as well if that's easier for you. Yeah, so just mix that all in together so it's all nice and mixed. Make sure that it's really incorporated so you don't get any lumps of egg white still in the mixture. I'm just going to use a spatula and scrape the bowl down before adding in our flour. So just add the flour, oats and the bicarbonate of soda into the mixture. At this time you can also add in your raisins, cranberries and the fudge. And just mix it all together until it's fully combined. Yeah, just make sure it's just well mixed so you don't get any lumps of flour left in the mixture. And this is how it should look when it's all fully mixed together. So it should be just a nice soft dough. If you're making this in advance, you can put this in the fridge and chill this in the fridge. You can leave it for an hour or you can leave it overnight if you're not ready to use it that same day. You can also freeze this and then use it straight from the freezer before you're ready to put it into the oven. So we've got our baking tray here already lined with some foil and some greaseproof paper. we're just going to use a tablespoon and spoon some mixture onto our tray. Make sure that they're evenly spaced so that if the cookies spread, they don't all spread into each other. As there's 5 of us at the moment, I'm just going to make 5 and then I'll put the rest in the fridge. Yep, so once you've got that on the tray, we're just going to put this into the oven at 180 degrees and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. So we're just going to put them in the oven. Make sure your oven is on 180 and they're just going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see you once they're ready. So it's been about 15 minutes and the cookies should be ready to come out of the oven. So as you can see, they've gone nice and golden brown. They're still a bit soft to the touch, but as they cool down they'll start to firm up. Just leave them on the tray to cool down for 10 minutes and then you can transfer them to a wire rack to cool down completely. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you've got any comments or suggestions for new recipes we can make, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.